Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can invite team members to join your workspace on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. Now, let's say you would like to invite, for instance, a coworker of yours, a friend or a family member to join your workspace on Slack to work with you on various projects. Simply follow my instructions. Head over to Slack, log into your account. And what you want to do in the first step, guys, is select the given workspace by clicking on that arrow down icon here next to your workspace name, and pick the workspace from that list below. After that, simply click on invite people to the given workspace, which is in this case this one here. And after that, that one will pop up for you. So you either enter the recipient's email address here to invite the given person via an email invitation, or simply use that option here, copy invite link, to copy that link and to share it with your friends or coworkers or family members, for instance, via direct messaging services, emails, or a social media post. And that's basically it. After that, your team members or potential team members will be notified and be given the opportunity to either accept or to decline or to ignore the invitation to Slack Workspace to join your workspace really quickly. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.